March in the box.
I don't know how to march.
I don't know how to march. Look
Gotta
at my
get you
boy
out-
March.
They
Woo!
gotta get you out that house.
That boy.
Let's give it leg day.
Let's see where you are.
Y'all so funny, bro.
Higher knees.
Ah, this shit actually tough.
All right, stop, Kenny.
Okay, I mean, my heel's still in. Yup. There you go. Here, stop practicing. This shit's silly.
3,
Oh my goodness.
2, 1.
You was good until you did the head something.
If you can't see,
I'm
it's
about to rob a train. What the fuck is that? Your ass is practicing.
Hey yo, what?
2, 1.
Arms is sweaty as shit. Knees weak, arms is heavy. It's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he nervous.